Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a simple breakfast sandwich that emulates the McDonald's Egg McMuffin. So the ingredients for this are pretty obvious. You'll need one English muffin. I'm using the Bay's brand, but you can use whatever brand you like. 2 slices of ham, an egg, and this weird contraption here is my take on an egg ring. Like in an ideal situation, you'd want to have an egg ring so you can create that round egg, but I don't have one, so I just made one out of aluminum foil. Yeah, I just basically folded up the aluminum and rounded it to make this shape. And then I have half a cup of hot water, a slice of cheese. You can use like whatever cheese you want. I'm just using a Kraft single in sharp cheddar, but in hindsight I think American would probably work out better. I just feel like the more artificial, the more processed, the better. I mean, as long, like if you're trying to emulate like McDonald's, but any slice of cheese is fine. And then I also have butter. So let's get started. So I've gone ahead and heated up a pan. Now I'm going to situate my egg ring in the center. I'm going to pour in the water. Actually, I want it a little bit more heated up. Because you're going to want it to be boiling so that there's a lot of steam. The water is boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and crack my egg in. Then I'm going to take a fork and break the yolk, and then cover it up. Then I'll leave it like this for around 2 minutes or until it's set. In the meantime, you can go ahead and toast your English muffin in a toaster. So this is the egg after 2 minutes. I went ahead and turned off the heat, and I'm going to go ahead and drain out this water. My English muffins are toasted, so now I'm just going to butter each side. This is the bottom one. I'm going to go ahead and lay my cheese on top of the toasted and buttered bottom half. And then I'm going to get my egg. I feel like I should dry it, like with a pat it with a paper towel. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. I'm just gonna remove any excess moisture because a soggy egg is not really the move. Okay. And then I'm going to lay the egg on top of. I just wiped down the pan a little bit, and now I'm heating up the 2 slices of ham. And meanwhile, make sure your top is buttered as well. And set aside. Time to flip over. Oh. I like my ham to be a little bit on the golden side, like with the, just like golden marks. So. Like, this is about good. Okay, our ham is thoroughly heated through. It's even got a little bit of golden browning to it. So I'm now going to get mine and I'm going to lay it on top. So again, here is our super simple breakfast sandwich that sort of emulates a McDonald's Egg McMuffin. Yeah, it's pretty easy to make in the morning and quick, and it tastes pretty yummy. So yeah. Well, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all next time.